everyone. Today is a very exciting day because Andre and I have bought a house. We bought a house in London and today is the day of completion, so we can go and pick up the keys, and I thought I would vlog just so that we can have this as like a memory for us as well, and I thought it'd be quite nice to share anyway. We have like quite a lot of junk in the car that we're taking along with us for like the first day. We have absolutely nothing, but we're taking a blow-up mattress and all that sort of stuff just so that we can spend like the first night in our house, which is really exciting. But I thought I would bring you along with me, and I hope you enjoy this vlog of our house buying journey. Another day at the house. I will be honest, when we got the keys to the house, I was pretty rubbish with my camera. I basically just vlogged picking up the keys, and then I didn't pick my camera up anymore that whole weekend. But it was such a lovely weekend. We had our family over on the Saturday, and then everybody just got to work. Everybody was so up for it, which was great. So our garden is done up, and our driveway has also been like just pruned and stuff. Like it was just a bit, you know, unruly, but that was all done that weekend. And so now this weekend we're really gonna like get stuck in and get started with all that needs to be done in this house. But I thought before we do, I'll give you a little bit of a house tour because I love watching them, and hopefully you guys will also be interested in that. We do have like bits and bobs around the house, but just like ignore, and let me show you around. So this is the hallway. Basically it's very like spacious in my opinion. We've got a lot of space. This has got to be, I think, the world's longest radiator. It's the whole width of this wall. It's crazy. First I'll show you our dining room area. This is where we've mostly been hanging out, to be honest, because we have these patio doors and it just leads into the garden, which is lovely. But here we have a fireplace. It's a back boiler, so we have a boiler in here. Honestly, we had never heard of this before, but yeah, that's been interesting. But again, we've got the picture rails here, a little arch here. This is our kitchen. So our kitchen is very small. It's a galley kitchen. Essentially, it's just almost like a corridor, really. Honestly, I don't know what we're gonna do with this space. It's such a tricky space to like, I don't know, I'm just not sure about this. But anyway, galley kitchen, this is what it looks like. So this is our living room, and we've got gorgeous bay windows. And then this is the rest of our living room. We have this fireplace, which isn't like original or anything like that. It's actually electric. So essentially there's no chimney breast or anything here. It's kind of just like an additional piece. I don't know if we're gonna keep this or not, we'll see, but we've got that. And then just another white wall. Basically, I love the picture rails. We've got these in the whole house, basically, like hallways, bedrooms, and I just really love that. I really want to hopefully experiment with paints and things and do different colored ceilings, different colored picture rails, and I'm just really excited for it. So then going upstairs, we have 3 bedrooms and our bathroom. Starting with the main bedroom, this is what I'm pretty sure we're going to keep this as our bedroom, although it's not my favorite bedroom in the house. But again, we've got the bay windows at the front of the house, and this sort of weird, like, I don't really know what you call this, like an arch design type thing. And then there are obviously 2 cupboards either side. Essentially, when we came here, the bed was right here in the middle, so much so that obviously this was their little bedroom light, which I thought was very funny. We are planning on knocking that all down and then hopefully putting in some wardrobes, and then there's just like other bits of furniture in here, to be honest. Like this stayed behind, random bits of carpets and stuff like that. We started removing some wallpaper up here because luckily this room has wallpaper just above the picture rail. So the ceiling is painted and the walls, we're pretty certain, are also painted. So that's really quite lucky. We've just got essentially this strip to remove. We'll see how easy or how difficult that is to do. This is our small bedroom. So this is the smallest room in the house, but still a very decent size in my opinion. You could easily fit in, I think you could even fit here a double bed if you didn't want like more space. For us, this is most likely going to be our office, so quite happy with that. One random thing that I want to do in the house, but I'm really like set on this, is switching the doors over. So rather than the door opening here into the like empty space, I want it to open towards that wall. But with it opening towards that wall, it means we need to change light switches. So I don't know, we'll see. I'm going to show you this later. But this is what I would say is my favorite room. This is the second bedroom in the house. It doesn't have bay windows, but it still has very, very large windows. Again, it's got like a bit of a weird ceiling situation. We've got wallpapered ceilings. I don't know if you can tell, but fingers crossed we can remove that okay. And again, just some bits of furniture that they left behind. This was a wardrobe, but it was broken, so we dismantled it. A lot of potential, but we just need to get started. Very overwhelming. And then these are our bathrooms. So I'll start off with the toilet. It's just a toilet, but yeah, we've got one of those houses where the toilet and the rest of the bathroom are separate. So here we have a sink and a bathtub. We've got a cupboard in here as well. Actually quite a good sized cupboard, but it's in just such an awkward position. We have to have this here because there is a water tank in here. Honestly, the boiler situation in this house is kind of crazy. So we're gonna need to get rid of that, but that will give us so much more bathroom space, which will be great. And obviously we want to knock through the walls separating these two as well. So I think in the end, we will actually have a decent sized bathroom. So I thought it was best to do a proper update, sit down and find a moment to share with you the house we bought. We bought a 3-bedroom 1930s house in London, which is just so unbelievably exciting and overwhelming and scary, but also just like incredible. So I'm really excited to like share the journey along with you. It's something completely new to me, completely new to us. It is a renovation job, so we do have quite a lot of work ahead of us, but we're excited, albeit a bit scared. I think I'm the one who's mostly scared, but excited nonetheless. All in all, just a house we are very happy to call our own, and a house that we are very excited to make our own and put our mark on it. So I'm really excited to bring you along with us. I'm definitely going to be vlogging and posting on Instagram and sharing our renovation journey. We are very new to it. We've never done it before, so I'm sure there will be mistakes and errors along the way, but it will be good to learn together. And I'm just really excited to like document it so that then I can look back on this hopefully when our house is all nice and done up and exactly what I had dreamed of. I think it will be really nice to go back and look on these clips and what the house used to look like. I hope you enjoyed this video and a look at our house. A very big thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more house updates, house renovations, just like house content in general. I've never been able to do like home content and that sort of thing, so I'm really, really excited about this, and I hope that you are too. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all soon. Bye.